We're just walking into the laneway that is clearly being sold off. Good morning, councillors. Kelly Minahan here, President of the Suffolk Park Progress Association. I stand here today and respectfully ask just one thing, that you stop the closure of the so-called laneway, because it's not just a laneway, its legal status is unclear. It may not be a road at all, but an easement or a residential parcel potentially subject to historical access rights and long-term use by adjoining residents. Some of them have been here for 30 years. This laneway has been blocked for 40 years. These are not minor details. They go directly to whether this land can be sold cleanly or whether doing so exposes council to future legal challenge. We know from New South Wales case law that these so-called dunny lanes are often far more complex than they appear. That alone warrants caution and proper scrutiny, but beyond the legal questions, this land has evolved. It's evolved into a nature corridor of biodiversity, a green corridor. What may once have served as a basic utility function is now a living coastal corridor contributing to endangered ecological habitat that is increasingly rare and fragmented, especially in Suffolk Park. Once that is lost, it cannot be replaced. There is also a very real and immediate concern within the community that if the land is sold, vegetation clearing will follow. Indications on the ground, including discussions with the stakeholders about tree removal and site inspections, suggest that the corridor could quickly become a private extension, a larger backyard, turfed, filled, and large decks into what is now a lovely home for many endangered species. Whether that is stated intentionally or not, the outcome is foreseeable and permanent. If you were to close this and sell it, I can almost guarantee you that the next thing you would receive will be a fire assessment report deeming this to be within the asset protection zone of a brick house. They will then clear this land under the bushfire laws, which overrule all other planning controls. And then you will get a development application for a deck or a pool or something like that. This will vanish very, very quickly. Right now, the community is seeking clarity on the legal status of this land, on any existing rights, and on the long-term implications of its loss. Because once this land leaves public ownership, the community loses any meaningful say over what is happening next. This is not just about a laneway or an easement. It's about whether we protect shared environment assets or allow them to be converted quietly and permanently into private benefit. I respectfully ask that you pause this process and or stop it, undertake full legal and environmental due diligence, and engage the community before any further decision is made. Because once it's gone, it's gone. We invited you all to come along and meet the community leaders in Suffolk Park, and we would warmly welcome you to come and talk about this and many other important topics on the 21st of April at 4 o'clock. Bye for now, and thank you for your time. Respectfully, Kelly.
Charge the people $1.50 just to see 'em. Don't it always seem to go that you don't know what you've got till it's gone? They pay for a life, put up a fight.